Welcome back to Doer's Factory again. This time, please allow me to introduce our latest products to you. The equipment behind me is a first-generation Radial-Flow Adsorber that we independently developed and produced. The intercore structure has been comprehensively renovated to further improve oxygen production efficiency and reduce energy consumptions. Our productions from the initial design and development to the final painting and packaging are all completed in our workshop here. We have advanced production equipment and a comprehensively equality inspection system so as to ensure the industry-leading level of good service, short consumption period, excellent price, and good quality. To provide our customers with the highest quality VPSA production equipment, need any VPSA equipment, better call Doer.